Let it be, saan ka sa atin? Let it be. Fun day making. What's this? Making fun with your family. Bonding. Nanonood ako sa kilid ng ano mo, palabas mo, Sis Army. Tapos matutulog po ako. Magpiplay ako sa mga palabas nyo. Ano na lang ako, gagawin ko. Maglalagay ako ng, magsisave ako sa watch later para lahat kayo mapanood ko. Okay? Pero gagamitin ko yung cellphone ni Lola. Naglagay ako sa watch later. Sis Army, ayan o, kaka-start pa lang. Kakatapos ng harang mo. Ito ginagawa mo, nag-scroll ka na. Then, that's how you look of how much you play. How many hours you play with anyone that you are playing with. But you know, do not do that. Showing here whom you are supporting to play their videos. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. Sis May. That's okay. Showing whom to whose people who came to your live streaming. That's nice. Good. Congrats. You have so many subscribers and supporter. Thank you. So, I love you everyone with the love of the world. Oh yeah, I am almost 4 hours. Whoa, thanks God. 3 minutes more and I'll be 2 minutes more. Let me just do another 2 minutes. Love you more than I can say. Yeah, yeah. Love you more than I can say. Okay, Sis Army. Done. Sis Army, I'm done to your. Meron kang harang sa dulo. Ang iksi ng harang mo sa dulo. Right? Now I got almost 4 hours. 2 minutes more, then I'm done. Sis Army, I'm done to you, my friend. Yung ibinaba mo po, ano yung ibinaba mo? At kanin mo ba ito? Hindi ko makuha. Dali ha. Hindi ko makuha yan kapag hindi main channel ko ang dinadala ko. So let me ito my main channel para makita ko yung ibinaba mo. Say, masakit ng aking lips dito sa upuan ko sa ano. Hanapin ko na lang ang ano mo sis, Army. Hanapin ko na lang kung alin yung upcoming premiere mo na yan. Sulat ko lang pangalan mo. Natatawa ako sa'yo, Mi Army. Ikaw pala yung ano. Ikaw pala yung si Armando. Si Marlon. Sige na. God bless you. Love you everyone. I love you with the love of the Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love and support today. Thank you.